and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to say no when a friend asks for a referral. Let's start with a very simple guessing game. What is a 7-letter word that starts with an F and ends with a S? You guessed it, it is friends. And no, we are not talking about the award-winning TV show. We are talking about your friends. Of course, you would always like to help your friends when in need. But what if they ask you for a referral at your job? You may want to, but decide not to because of various reasons. Here are a few reasons why you might want to say no. Your friend may have a poor work ethic, ignoring emails, coming late to work every day, calling in sick often without being sick, etc. Or you just want to keep your work and private life separate. And like that, there are plenty of other reasons why you wouldn't want to refer your friend. But how do you say no? 1. Keep it simple. The most straightforward way is to just say no. Beating around the bush is never a good idea, and when it comes to saying no, it is even a worse idea. Yes, you may want to let them down easily, but don't create a whole story around it. And most importantly, don't lie about it. 2. Give an explanation. Try to explain in detail why you don't want to refer them. Be honest, but avoid hurting their feelings, which is a hard thing to do and might not even be possible. But keep in mind that you're trying to relay a message and it needs to be clear. 3. Stand your ground. If you don't want to refer your friend, then don't. Don't say no and later change your mind because your friend convinced you to do so after all. Or because you feel bad. Yes, you may feel bad towards your friend, but it would be worse if you would constantly change your mind. Make it clear that this is what you decided and that it is final. 4. Side note. Okay guys, we want to add a little side note. It may seem harsh and even cruel to deny your friend a referral, but you must understand that working with a friend is not for everybody, and that's okay. We often talk about setting boundaries when looking for a job, and this is one of them. Have you ever denied a friend or acquaintance a referral? Or do you have any tips on doing so? Let's talk in the comments. Thank you for listening. If you want to read the information, you can find the link to the article in the description box. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and to follow banks and insurance jobs on our social media to stay up to date on the latest vacancies and career advice.